Hey everyone, welcome back to Returning to Basics. Today, we got in our Wyze Video Doorbell. We're going to open it, install it, and review it. Let's see what we got. If you can't tell, we're big on Wyze products. We use a lot of their cameras. It says one video doorbell and one chime. What's in the package? It looks like wall plate, wedge, 4 wire nuts, 2 brackets. And it looks like a door. Get it out. There we go. And it's my understanding you just take that and you replace the doorbell that you have. There's some wire. Let's see what the quick start guide says. In the box, a wall plate, a wedge, extension wires, remove the extra insulation at the end of the wire before connection, a chime, a doorbell, front and back. Download the Wyze app, which we already have on our phone because we use other Wyze products already. And it shows you how to install it. You go into your Wyze app on your phone, your cell phone, go into your Wyze app, and you press on the plus here, and you add a device. Cameras, doorbell. They're considered a camera. So under the Wyze cameras is the Wyze doorbell. And so that's how we'll do it. That's how we'll add it. But first we have to go install it. Okay, we're outside. I'm going to remove this old switch right here and you replace it with your new Wyze bell and a mounting plate. It comes with a wedge that this works with, and you can use the wedge or just the mounting plate. I'm just going to use the mounting plate only, and I'm going to use 2 of the screws that were provided that are longer screws. Of note, whenever you take this off and you replace it, your old chime will not work. It disables your old chime. So that's something that you need to remember and understand whenever you're doing this. Turn it over, and there are just 2 screws that hold on that red and black wire. Then you just hook them up right there on the back of this one. Mounting plate right there. Wrap that wire up under there. Tighten it up. Loop it and tighten it up. Okay.
Ready to connect.
So I have to go in and look at my chime box. So let's do that.
Ready to connect.
Okay. After I connected the doorbell outside, it was powered already through this box inside here, our old doorbell box, and it said ready to connect. Whenever I went into the Wyze app, it took me through this process and it said that I needed to go inside and actually bypass some wires. And so it took me through the process of asking me which doorbell I'm replacing, and I said the front. And so that's why all of these little things came with it. Wire nuts and extension wires. And I was wondering just why they came. And so you have to take one of these extension wires, like this one right here, and take the front wire off, which is this green one. And you take that front wire off and you connect it according to this to the trans wire, which is the transformer wire. And so we jumper them together. So let's do that now. Front wire loose. Transformer wire loose, which is the red wire in the middle. Put this little jumper on the transformer wire. Tighten it back up. Take the green wire and the transformer wire and the wire nut that they provided. Put the two together. Okay, that's done. Next, wiring work done, it says. Please confirm your doorbell is live flashing yellow. Let's go and see. Next, it says confirm your doorbell is live flashing yellow. Look, it's flashing yellow. Next,
Ready to connect.
your doorbell should say ready to connect. It said ready to connect. It wants me to select the network, and we're going to do that.
Ready to connect.
Point the camera on your phone to the scan the QR code. Show QR code.
Ready to connect. QR code scanned. Please wait.
Did you hear that? QR code scan, please wait. Connecting should take a moment. Take a minute.
Setup completed.
You hear that? Setup completed. Now it says Wyze right here. We're going to call it front doorbell, which it offered. We're going to do a status check. Please confirm your doorbell has a solid blue light that is not flashing. This means the doorbell is fully functional. Solid blue light, not flashing. Oh, add a Wyze chime, it says. Pair the Wyze chime. Tap to add the Wyze chime to your doorbell. Let's add it right in here. Let's see. Right now, let's just add it right here. Plug your chime into any standard power outlet. Press and hold the reset button until it flashes 3 times. Connecting to the chime. And it's counting down. And it says finished. It says a new firmware version is available. Please upgrade. I'm not going to do that now. And look there. There is my doorbell cam. And looky there. See what it looks like? Right there. And so now it's added front doorbell. And there we are. So let's check this out too. You hear that? Someone is calling you at the door. So there's the Wyze doorbell. Replaces your old doorbell. When people walk up to it, it starts flashing like this and sending us information to our phones. It just buzzed me. And it dings in there. Out here and in there. And now I have a camera and I can see anyone delivering to the house, anyone coming up the drive, the walkway. I have one on the driveway. But anyway, Wyze cameras are a great investment. We really recommend them. We use a lot of them. So if you have some questions about Wyze cameras or our doorbell, leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for coming along with us. We appreciate you. Please hit the like button. It helps us with our YouTube standing in the algorithm. So please do that. Subscribe and share this with a friend. Thanks a lot from Teresa and Neal at Returning to Basics. God bless you and have a great day.